Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm replacing the plastic rim covers. So I just replaced the first one and it looks amazing. Check this out. Look the difference. Wow, honestly the car looks different. Wow, I love it. I love how it looks. So those are the rim covers the Tesla comes with. They don't look bad, but the ones I got, they look wow, they look badass. Wow, it looks pretty awesome. Look at that. Looks like a completely different car. So I got the new rims on Amazon. It comes like this. I got it in 2 days. I checked on eBay first, and so they take a little bit longer, and also, you know, like on eBay, they're more expensive. I found these ones, I paid like $120 for the set of 4. So it was pretty good deal. So to remove it is pretty simple. It takes 5 seconds. So let me show you. So to remove the one that comes with the car is pretty simple. You just pull it little by little. That's it. 5 seconds. So once you're ready, you know, you just look for the air plug. So you see, this is where the air plug goes. Put it there, and then just push it. That's it. Well, that's done. Simple. Let's do a walk around. It looks amazing. It's been a week since I installed the rim covers, and amazing, you know, like I'm super satisfied, you know, like there's no rattle, no noise, no anything. And one thing that I forgot to explain is that the rim covers, they don't come with the Tesla symbol in the middle. It doesn't come with anything. So what I did is that, you know, I did a research, and the best one are these ones. So it's a sticker. It comes in 3 different colors. I think it comes in silver, black, and red. In the description you can find the link, so if you want to purchase it. And that sticker in the center cap makes a difference. The car looks amazing. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye.